Hi everyone, welcome to Basic Editor Training Review. Today we are going to go over templates, in particular the Contact Us page template for profiles as well. So all of the other templates that you'll need to know outside of the interior page template. So the first one is the college and school template. So this one's already out for some of the colleges, but the main thing that you'll see is instead of having all of the different programs listed in one giant box, like certificates, minors, emphasis areas, all there, we've split undergraduate programs and graduate programs. So that's the biggest change to this template that we'll be rolling out. The next template is a department template. So the big thing about that is having the calls to action, the top buttons that people search for or look for, having them front and center, as well as grouping the different types of services. Now the next one is the Contact Us template. So this one is different than the interior page template. It's not one that you build out with the same 4 sections. It's called faculty staff listing, I believe, but the biggest thing I want to point out about this template is that if you try and edit it in Cascade, this is what you see. Contact faculty listing, that's what it's called. But a lot of people will see the left column, main content section, and right column. And naturally, the profiles are listed in that main content area. So that when they try and edit that in Cascade, they see that it's blank, they panic, they email web dev. So I cannot emphasize this enough. Contact Us pages are fed by profiles, and therefore if you want to update a Contact Us page, you have to update the profiles. So think of profiles sort of as widgets. We give a profile a category, and then we say this profile should appear in these 4 categories, and then those profiles are sent to the Contact Us pages that have those categories, if that makes sense. So again, to update a Contact Us page, you edit a profile. Which brings us to the last template, which is a profile template. This is also different. This is probably one of the things that you'll be editing a lot if your team is changing, especially with all of the restructuring that's happening. So we have a video available of how to edit a profile to make sure that those Contact Us pages are always accurate. Now, the next templates that we're going to go a little bit more into detail, I guess they're not fully templates. They're built from the interior page template, but we are copying and pasting them throughout the site as we build out department pages and program pages. But the best thing about them is that since editors will work heavily with these pages, they are the interior page template that we've come to know and love. So I'm just going to break down how a department page, for this example, it is part of the interior page template, and how we've modified the interior page template to look like this. So this is a department page. Now breaking it down to the different areas, we disabled the right column, which is what extended that main content area. We have 3 different main content sections. The left column enabled as always. And then those different main content sections are split to 2 columns, and then 3 columns. But going back to it, interior page template, looking a little bit different than the standard page on the CSU Pueblo website. Now the next template with the interior page that's built is a program pages. I think most people see this and they're like, oh my gosh, we can't build this out, or how is this interior page template in the 4 areas that we've reviewed? But again, breaking it down to the different areas and how those fit. We have the right column disabled again, which is what extends those main content sections. That top one is that extended image that you see, so we do have a specific size that image should be. And then this bottom main content section is just split into 2. So one of them is for the program overview, for whatever that little read more tag is. And then over here we have the testimonial and then a call to action at the very bottom. But again, it's just those 2 columns within one single main content section. That gives you this. All of it the interior page template. So that's it as far as different pages across the website and what you can do with the interior page template for academic pages specifically. So thank you for joining us. Bye.